Hello again. Today I would like to talk about Ukrainian war because this situation proceeds, but war movies, attacks, and another changing suspended now, and I would like figure out what happened, but nobody understand what happened. It's named оперативная пауза, operating operating pause, and I reckon that Ukrainian army waiting for the spring. The spring will end. The spring ending, and roads and ways will be dry because now tanks and another military vehicles stay in the mood because soil in Ukrainian very soft. And I think barely soil dry, Ukrainian army go to attack in 2 or maybe 3 possible directions. Directions number 1, it's Artyomovsk, Solidar, Bakhmut. It's Bakhmut. The way direction number 2 is Artyomovsk, and direction number 3 is Zaporozhye. It is Melitopol, Mariupol, and in the end it's Crimea. If I'm right, it happened in the next month, in the April, and Ukrainian army start attack Russian position in these 3 directions, but it's barely will be all 3 positions. It's mainly will be only 1 positions, and I think it will be Melitopol, Berdyansk, Mariupol. It's I reckon it's biggest preferences for Ukrainian army because they cut off delivery of Russian army from the Crimea, and because it's only 1 railway and one speedway from the Crimea to the direction to the Donetsk. If supply ammunition will be suspended, Russian army not only stop attack Ukrainian army, they will be necessary go to away from Avdiivka and from Bakhmut. And if Ukrainian army go to Berdyansk and Mariupol, it will be a stop of the war, end of the war, and the war stop on the border of 2014. Because Russian authority would like stop the war, and they need some territory, some occupation territory. They can stop a war, but they don't can but they don't go from occupied territory, from Donetsk and Lugansk Oblast, which was occupied in 2014. But we can figure out it only if Ukrainian army start attack in the west part of front in Zaporozhye. Now they suspended attack because it's a mood, but I reckon they start attack at the end of April because they get supply of tanks, Leopard and Abrams and Challenger, and they get military armored machine like a Bradley and mortar and something else. And I think they will get GLMRS systems to attack Russian army in 150 kilometers from HIMARS, who use these rockets. And in these months, Ukrainian received several fighters from Slovenia, Polska, and I think Macedonia. And these fighters, around 20 planes, 20 fighters, they can attack Russian army too.